Uh, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know whether you guys are able to hear me properly or not, because I'm not using any mic or anything, because I forgot my mic at my home only. This is the train that I've come from, and the city, I cannot disclose you, because I've already mentioned in the previous videos that I cannot tell you where I have come. Just for a day only, I'll be spending a few hours here, and then I have a train back to my place, Gurgaon, at somewhere around 10 p.m. From here. So I'll board the train by 10 p.m. and I'll be reaching my home back by somewhere around in the morning, maybe by 6 or 7 a.m. This is a train, this is the platform, and it's quite empty sort of. You can see good greenery and everything is there. I don't know whether you've seen the platform or something, because I really don't want to disclose it. The platform name is right there. I mean, the city name, of course, the station name is right there in front of me, which I cannot disclose. And yeah, so this train is about to leave this place, because this train will go back to Delhi from where I boarded it. This is the time. This is somewhere around 4:15, and I've been here for last around 3 hours, because I've come here by somewhere around 1:30. You can say I got off by somewhere around 1:30 p.m. and since then, train is still there, because this is the kind of route on which this train works on a daily basis. So it's 4:15, somewhere around 4:15 only, and I won't be able to speak a lot in this video. The reason is that I don't have anything to sit here. I mean, I have a bench right there in front of me, but I just a minute. I think that would make more sense, or what? Are you guys able to see me properly now? Yeah, I'm looking sort of bald, but I'm not bald. I have hair. It's just that I'm wearing this cap. Yeah. So what I was talking about. Yeah. So now this whoever this professional is showing off that green flag. Is this TT or who? I don't know. I don't know what is who's responsible for this thing. The person who shows off that that green flag and a sort of indication to start the train, maybe, or maybe an indication to some platform guy or something. I really don't know. Yeah. Whatever. So yeah, maybe this video is going to last for 4 to 5 minutes at max, or maybe just a couple of minutes only. Yeah, a couple of minutes from here will lead to 5 minutes something only. Yeah. So what kind of maths are you applying here? Yeah. So because now I'm keeping this phone in my hand, and I'm not feeling that confident, because I really don't know whether, I'm not sure whether someone will catch me or not, because of course I was having the ticket and everything, but because I am on this platform since last 3 to 4 hours, and there is a concept of platform ticket also. I was once caught in Meerut for not having a platform ticket, and for that I was fined, and I had no idea. Had I got some idea about this particular thing, I would have definitely gotten what do you call it, a platform ticket, but I had no idea, and I was caught by the people, and they simply asked me for a platform ticket. I had no concept in my head, and I was like, I don't have any a platform ticket, and they fined me. Fortunately, I've come from this train, and I definitely have the ticket of this train, but because I got off, I deboarded this train by somewhere around what do you call it, 1:15 p.m. and now it's somewhere around 4:15, so it's been 3 hours. I don't know whether I will be asked to show that platform ticket or not, but I think the train is now leaving. You can see it here. See, the train is leaving now, and I think I should also leave this station as soon as possible, although I am seeing a way to get out of this station. So I think this way would work better, because I believe no professional would be able to see me or stop me, although I'm not doing anything illegal, but I'm kind of person who just doesn't want to get into any sort of trouble or hassle or any argument or anything. I really hope you guys are able to hear me properly. This station is good. It is newly built, as I've got to know. So yeah, and there is nothing here on this station, on this platform, except of course the railway lines. Few railway lines, 3 to 4, 2 to 3, I guess, 2 to 3 railway lines only. And other than that is what? Other than that, nothing either. How should I get out? It's a bit muddy, and water is there. Maybe it has rained a while ago. I mean, no, maybe just a minute. Maybe maybe a day ago or something, or maybe some construction thing was going on. No construction thing was going on. I think it has rained definitely, because this way is also, this road is also having some water on it. Water accumulated on the road. All right, so yes, I have successfully gotten off the station, and it's 4:15, and now I will definitely be taking Rapido bike for my destination where I have to reach. I still have some good amount of time with me. Where I have to reach is somewhere around half an hour to 45 minutes far from here. I guess hardly 40 minutes far from here. Hardly 40 minutes far from here. I guess I've exaggerated the duration. I think it's hardly 30 minutes, not even 40 minutes. So 25 to 30 minutes is the max amount of time I would need to get out of here. And where I have to reach, the appointment I have is for 7 p.m. and right now it's, as I already mentioned, somewhere around 4:15, 4:20 only. So I have enough amount of time. Yeah, I will definitely be going to some place where I can eat something. Although I have already eaten a couple of parathas, which I carried from my home only. I had 3 parathas which I carried, and 2 are already in my stomach. One is still there in the box in my bag. I didn't feel like eating it. I'm still not feeling like eating it, because I'm not feeling any sort of hunger. I will definitely eat the remaining one, but I will also try to have something different as well along with it, because it was feeling quite bland. I mean, not quite bland, but I thought I should have carried some chaat masala or some pickle or something, but I have nothing in my box. It's okay, it's fine. More than 8 minutes in this video, and let's see. I don't know where is the way out. I mean, this is a long road, but I think the exit is from the exact place from where I have come. So I'm maybe moving in the opposite direction. It seems like moving in the opposite direction, but anyways, I'm anyways gonna call the Rapido driver, Rapido rider. So he'll definitely take me from here. So what I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna turn this video off, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys want to have one-on-one speaking session practice with me, if you guys think you don't have anybody to practice with, you guys can connect with me. I've shared the links in the description and in the pinned comment, and you can connect with me through those links. And if you want to say any other thing, you can definitely put that down in the comment section, and I will definitely respond to you, because I'm not getting any views in my video. So you have got full chances of getting a reward from my side. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.